Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake in the oven. First, gather your ingredients like cream cheese, sugar, and graham crackers. Prepare a 9-inch springform pan by wrapping the bottom with aluminum foil to prevent leaks. Then, combine 1 1/2 cups of crushed graham crackers with 1/4 cup of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of your prepared pan. Now, let's create that wonderfully creamy filling. Make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature for the smoothest results. Beat the softened cream cheese with sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then, gently incorporate the eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing just until they are combined. Finish by stirring in vanilla extract and a touch of sour cream for extra richness. With your filling ready, carefully pour the smooth batter over the prepared graham cracker crust. To ensure a perfectly even bake and prevent cracks, we'll use a water bath. Place your springform pan into a larger roasting pan, then add hot water to the roasting pan, reaching about halfway up the sides of the cheesecake pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Once baking is complete, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside for 1 hour with the door ajar. This gradual cooling helps prevent cracking. Then, remove it from the water bath and cool completely on a wire rack. Finally, chill your cheesecake in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, before carefully removing the springform pan sides and serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.